What is the benefit of going through the postal course of psychology rather than conventional books? One very important benefit is every topic has been brought into its best, and moreover it is targeted to the kind of questions which are asked in their real examination. Specifically the section on statistics research, a lot of students are skeptical about, they are not sure how to answer those questions. So what is the right approach and what is the right methodology you should follow has been included. Also in 2019 there was a revision in the syllabus. There has been no new revision henceforth, so that stands as the latest update. But in the recent patterns we have seen that the update, as per the update, the questions which are asked are really based on the new topics in priority. So this is a list of new topics, specifically the section on academics of psychology in India, how it started, pre-independence, post-independence, the various thoughts in psychology, positivism, post-positivism, the various approaches regarding those, the traditional methods, for example yoga and performing art therapy, family therapy are some of the important topics that are commonly asked. Even lifestyle diseases, chronic diseases, the sections related to the elements which basically intervene with the digital aspects and cyber communication are important, have been really asked every time. So if you go through this content, you would have one comprehensive material under which all the questions can be answered. But still, if you have any questions or queries, feel free to call on the number below and stay subscribed for further updates. Thanks for joining in.